My name is Verena and I'm one of the founders of Kitchen Stories. Number one reason why I believe starting a company is the best thing that I could have done is that you get to build your own team and work on the vision that you are passionate about. On the second side, of course, it means you don't need to work for anyone, but you can define and shape company culture, you can define the structure and your own goals. And last but not least, number three, as a startup entrepreneur, you get to do stuff that otherwise you wouldn't get to do. Versus in large companies, it takes seniority levels and a lot of work experience in order to take over responsibility. As a startup founder, you take over responsibility from day one. And you get to talk to people like CEOs or the likes of Tim Cook, who came by to cook here in our kitchen. And that would not have happened if I just decided to work at a large corporate.